Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to change Google phone screen timeout. Friends, you want to change guys your Google phone screen timeout. So friend, how to change screen timeout on Google phone and how to use screen timeout setting in this video friends I am going to show you guys. So friend, first we will on phone setting to change screen timeout. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Google phone. So when scroll it, friends, click on guys your Google phone get display setting. So at display setting guys, we will on it. After on display setting, first friends, you can see your brightness level. Friends, you want to increase your brightness, you want to decrease, you can increase and decrease from here. Second friends, you can see adaptive brightness. Friends, you want to on guys your adaptive brightness means auto brightness setting. So friends, you can on from here and you can use it. So friends, we will click on screen timeout setting. And guys, I will change my screen timeout in my 15 sec or 30 second. And guys, how to use 30-second screen timeout. So guys, we will wait for 30 second. After 30 second guys, screen will off automatically. Wait and watch. So I do pause video for 20 second guys. As you can see that 20 second has finished, and guys only 10 second guys your screen is going to off. So as you can see after 30 second guys our Google phone screen will off automatic guys if you do not tap guys. So guys when you will tap your time will start continue. So you will not tap guys for 30 second guys, screen will off automatic on your Google Pixel phone guys. And friends, you want to change guys from your search bar option guys, shortcut setting guys. Now let's see how to change screen timeout. Get direct guys, search your screen setting, screen timeout guys, tap here and get direct. Friends, you can change your screen timeout from here. After change guys, like I change into 30 second, so I don't tap 30 second on your screen. After 30 second automatic your screen will off in your Google phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.